We decided to publish in BMC Genetics because various other people in the department had at the time published in that journal, and there was a very good response, so we thought we'll try it, and so we ended up choosing it. Yeah, actually I found publishing in BMC Genetics very good because the time of submission of the manuscript and then till publication was just, I think in our case was about 5 months, and normal sort of journals tend to take about 9 months to 12 months, so it was a very fast sort of turnover rate. Everything was done very quickly. I think we got our paper accepted in January. It was published in January, so that was really good to see. Otherwise I think it takes another few months. The peer review was very good. It was very comparable to other journals that I've published in, and it was good positive feedback, but at the same time bringing the positive criticisms that one has to address in research. And I think I felt that the people who were reviewing my article were from the similar sort of scientific community that would tend to read the kind of papers on molecular genetics. So I thought that was a positive thing. The good thing with this publication was, I think 3 or 4 months after the paper was published, I got a statistics email from BMC saying about 800 people had looked at the article, and I thought that was a positive thing. And at the end of the year, last year, November, there was a conference actually held here at the SGDP Center on microsatellites, and somebody from America actually quoted our paper in the same scientific community. It's important for researchers to have open access publications, primarily to be able to access articles very readily, and also without any payment. Sometimes it's very difficult to access other journals through institution subscriptions. Sometimes journals are not available online, and you have to go to the library. You may not necessarily be in the library at the time, and so in this sort of format you're able to view an article so readily and so quickly just by the press of your mouse keypad. So I think that's really quick and fast. The best point of publishing with BMC would be the fact that it was a very fast turnover of submission of the manuscript and getting it published, because sometimes that can take such a long time, and then it's been like a year since the results were sort of available, and so that adds a longer time span to the research work, whereas in this case the publication was available after 5 months to the scientific community, which was of a benefit.